Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen, and today I'll be making a super easy baked salmon recipe. Stay tuned. Let's start off by adding some oil. And we're going to apply the oil on both sides. The next thing that I'll be doing is add my adobo seasoning. And you just want to sprinkle the seasoning on both sides as well. Some black pepper. And all the correct measurement will be in the description of the video, guys. Salt, pink Himalayan salt, not too much. And finally, I'm just gonna add some cayenne pepper to give this baked salmon recipe some extra spice. And we're not gonna add too much though. Rub it in, massage it in. And right now we're just gonna add our salmon, or 2 pieces of salmon fillet, to a baking tray. Place it in the oven for 10 minutes, and we're gonna bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have my baking pan ready. I'm just gonna place a nice cookie paper on top, about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit. And then I'm just gonna place my 2 pieces of salmon on each tablespoon of butter. Just like this. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and removed my salmon from the oven. I baked it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna enjoy my baked salmon with some white rice, black beans, a little bit of pico on top, and I'm gonna enjoy. Alright guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.